This is a thief. And in this video, I will build the ultimate Lego home security system to protect this secret treasure from a real thief. So let's get right to it. Since the robber will walk through this path to reach the treasure.
Wow!
My idea was to add traps all around this pathway. And we have more than enough Lego weapons to choose from to create a real home security system. So let's get right to it. My first idea was to build a trap that immediately shoots the thief in the foot when opening the door. And I think I have the perfect weapon for this job. This Lego pistol is quite powerful, and hopefully enough to scare away the thief. Now we only need a way of pulling the trigger by opening the door. So first, I extended the trigger with this pre-built piece, added the final Technic pieces, and now the trigger can be pulled from the side. The only thing left is to attach the Lego pistol to this pre-built mount. And it looks great. The only problem is that the trigger extension isn't long enough for the door to reach. And the mount is very unstable. So let's quickly build a better version. The rail system now pushes the trigger evenly, so it's much more stable. And it's also quite fun shooting it that way. But most importantly, it works great. For this next one, we want something like this. Since we all know that stepping on Legos is just a classic and has to be part of the home security system. So, I built this catapult. It has a pretty easy, but cool mechanism. So let's test it in action. The top is now too heavy. So, let's quickly add some more bands. Perfect. But for this next one, we need something really powerful. This is a super powerful remote-controlled crossbow. I turned on the power supply, and now the trigger can be pulled just by pushing the remote control. 2 motors are needed for the trigger. And I also added this rail so I can slide in this metal stick to hold the crossbow on face level. But for this one, I won't be using this bolt because it could be too dangerous, and just take a normal Lego bullet. The crossbow gets held up perfectly by the metal stick. And it's really hidden. I then took some fishing wire, placed it right in the middle of the pathway, and connected it to the remote control. So when the thief steps on the fishing wire, the crossbow fires. And with this one finished, we have one trap left to protect the safe. And with only one trap left, I thought if the robber has already made it this far, pain will obviously not stop him. So maybe we should scare him away. So I picked up this brick sword and combined it with my Lego tank. Let's try it out. Works great. It will be placed right under the safe. My idea to trigger the sword tank was to combine the handle of the safe with the remote control. So when the thief tries to open the safe, the tank rushes towards him. So I poked a hole through the cloth. Push the remote through the hole. Attach the remote to the handle. Now when the safe is opened, the tank gets triggered. The home security system is finally finished. Now, only one thing is missing, a real thief. Now let the challenge begin.
in it.
A few moments later.
Hello, motherfucker.
The thief has finally made it to the end, but was it all worth it? Let's find out.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because we have some huge projects planned. Thanks for watching.